Hello! Just got back about an hour and a half ago from picking up the 4Runner from RSG Off Road. Got that new suspension lift. Got a Toytec Boss 2.0. So the first mod of the 4Runner. So let's go check it out. New upper control arms. Nice red coilovers. Shiny. Check out the back. Now you can definitely tell it's much higher than it did before. It's got a 2.5–3 inch lift on it now, and it does kind of look a little silly with the smaller tires. So that'll probably be the next mod that we do, is some tires on this to kind of complement the lift. And the other question is, if I'm going to do new tires, should I do new wheels? Parts may want to. However, on a little trip to Moab, got a little rock rash right there. So question B, do I want to spend another $1,000 on wheels or so just to have that happen to them? I don't know. We'll think about it. Ended up getting the Hankook Dynapro ATM tires, 285 70/17, basically 33 inch tires. They had some pretty good reviews. I'll link them in the description below. But essentially I got them because of the good reviews, as well as they're $100 cheaper per tire than the BF Goodrich KO2 tires. So overall $400 cheaper. And so we'll have to test these out and see how these are, but so far I like them. If you like the content, subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you then.